Have you ever stared at your bank account and wondered if there was a way to make money without leaving your house? Well, what if I told you that people are making anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s every single month using nothing but their laptop and an internet connection? And the crazy part? Most of them started as complete beginners with zero experience. Today, I'm going to reveal the exact methods that everyday people are using to generate real income online. But here's the thing, I'm not going to overwhelm you with 50 different strategies that'll leave you paralyzed with choice. Instead, I'm going to show you the 5 most beginner friendly approaches that have the highest success rates. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones match your skills and situation. But first, let me address the elephant in the room. You've probably seen those flashy ads promising you can make $10,000 in your first week. That's complete nonsense. The methods I'm sharing today are legitimate, but they require effort, patience, and consistency. If you're looking for a magic button to press, this isn't for you. But if you're ready to put in the work and build something real, then stick around because this could change your financial future. The first method that's perfect for beginners is freelancing, and it's probably the fastest way to start earning money online. Think about it. You already have skills that people are willing to pay for. Can you write clearly? Companies need content writers. Are you good with social media? Businesses need social media managers. Can you organize information? Virtual assistants are in massive demand. Here's what makes freelancing so powerful for beginners. You can literally start earning money this week. I've seen people land their first client within 72 hours of creating their profile on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. The key is to start with what you already know and gradually expand your skills. Let me give you a real example. Sarah, a stay at home mom, started offering basic data entry services for $15 an hour. Within 3 months, she was earning $2,000 a month. 6 months later, she specialized in social media management and was making $4,000 monthly. The progression is natural and sustainable. The second method is affiliate marketing, and this is where things get really interesting. Imagine getting paid every time someone buys a product you recommend. That's affiliate marketing in its simplest form. You don't need to create products, handle customer service, or deal with shipping. You just connect people with products they need. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't this just spam? Absolutely not when done correctly. The best affiliate marketers genuinely help people solve problems. They create valuable content, build trust, and recommend products they truly believe in. The key is choosing a niche you're passionate about and becoming a trusted source of information. For beginners, I recommend starting with Amazon Associates because it's free to join and you can promote almost any product. But here's the secret most people miss. Success in affiliate marketing comes from providing value first. Create helpful blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media content that genuinely helps people, then naturally mention relevant products. The third method is creating and selling digital products, and this is where you can really scale your income. Digital products are amazing because you can create them once and sell them repeatedly. We're talking about ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, or software tools. The beauty of digital products is that your earning potential isn't limited by your time. If you're freelancing, you can only work so many hours per day. But with digital products, you can make money while you sleep. I've seen people create simple PDF guides that generate thousands of dollars in passive income. Start by identifying a problem you can solve or a skill you can teach. Maybe you're great at organizing finances. Create a budgeting spreadsheet template. Perhaps you know photography basics. Develop a beginner's guide to taking better photos. The key is solving real problems for real people. The fourth method is content creation, and this includes YouTube channels, blogs, podcasts, or social media accounts. Now, I'll be honest, this one takes longer to monetize, but it can become incredibly lucrative. Content creators make money through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise, and their own products. What makes content creation powerful is that you're building an audience of people who trust you. This audience becomes the foundation for multiple income streams. You might start with ad revenue, then add affiliate marketing, then create your own product. It's like building a media empire, one piece of content at a time. The key to success in content creation is consistency and patience. Pick one platform to focus on initially. If you enjoy writing, start a blog. If you're comfortable on camera, try YouTube. If you love quick tips, consider TikTok or Instagram. The platform matters less than your commitment to showing up regularly. The fifth method is online tutoring and teaching, and this market is absolutely exploding. People are desperately seeking to learn new skills, and they're willing to pay premium prices for personalized instructions. You don't need teaching credentials or advanced degrees. You just need to know something that others want to learn. Platforms like Cambly, italki, and Preply connect tutors with students worldwide. You can teach languages, academic subjects, professional skills, or even hobbies. The rate varies widely, but experienced tutors often charge $30 to $50 per hour or more. Here's what's fascinating about online tutoring. It combines the quick income potential of freelancing with the relationship building aspects of content creation. Your students become your advocates, referring friends and family members. Before you know it, you have a waiting list of people wanting to learn from you. Now, let me share some crucial insights that most people miss when starting their online income journey. First, focus on one method initially. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do everything at once. Pick the method that resonates most with your skills and interests, then commit to it for at least 90 days. Second, treat this like a real business, not a hobby. Set specific income goals, track your progress, and continuously improve your approach. The people who succeed are those who take it seriously from day one. Third, invest in learning. Every successful online entrepreneur is constantly upgrading their skills. Take courses, read books, join communities, and learn from others who are already successful. The investment in education pays dividends and increased income. Fourth, build systems and processes. As your income grows, you'll need to become more efficient. Create templates, use automation tools, and develop repeatable processes. This allows you to scale without burning out. Fifth, diversify your income streams over time. Once you've mastered one method, gradually add others. This creates stability and reduced risk. The most successful online entrepreneurs typically have multiple income sources. Let me address some common concerns beginners have. Many people worry about competition, but here's the truth. There's enough opportunity for everyone. The internet is massive, and new people are coming online every day looking for solutions. Your unique perspective and approach will attract the right audience. Others worry about technical skills, but most online income methods require minimal technical knowledge. You can learn what you need as you go. Don't let fear of technology hold you back from financial freedom. Some people think they need thousands of dollars to start, but that's not true. Most of these methods can be started with less than $100. Your biggest investment is time and effort, not money. Here's my challenge for you. Before this video ends, pick one method that excites you most. Then, within the next 24 hours, take one concrete action towards starting. If you choose freelancing, create a profile on one platform. If you picked affiliate marketing, research your first niche. If you select digital products, brainstorm your first product idea. The difference between dreamers and achievers is action. Information without implementation is worthless. The strategies I've shared today have created financial freedom for thousands of people, but only for those who actually applied them. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every successful online entrepreneur started exactly where you are right now. The only difference is they took action despite their fears and doubts. They learned as they went, adapted when things didn't work, and persisted through challenges. Your online income journey starts with a single step. Take that step today, and 6 months from now, you will thank yourself for having the courage to begin. The internet has leveled the playing field like never before. Your background, location, or current situation doesn't matter. What matters is your willingness to start and your commitment to continue. The opportunity is there. The methods work. The only question is whether you'll take action or let another year pass by wondering what could have been. The choice is yours, and the time is now. For more insights on making money online, check out this next video and continue to grow your knowledge on money making strategies online. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.